Pisces. October 1 to 7. Welcome po sa Scorp's Work Tarot. Another week, another month again. So, October na po. So, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Yeah, babatiin ko na yung mga kapatid nating mga OFW. So, saan po tayo magpapasko? So, Chariot. Decision, movement, going to a new journey, direction. Yeah, yan po yung plano natin para sa Pasko. Tignan natin, October 1 to 7. So, shout out po ako sa mga OFW. So, OFW din po ako, kaya close ako sa mga OFW. Alam ko yung mga pinagdadaanan ng mga kapatid nating OFW. So, hope everybody's well, healthy, masaya, at puno ng pag-asa. Yeah? So, belief system. Belief system, ito yung dynamics noong the way we think, the way we act, the way we do our day-to-day activities. Yan. Foundation, religion, gobyerno. Yeah? So, structure. Very structure si Pisces. So, ano yung pinagkakaabalahan natin? Pinagkakaabalahan natin yung preparation sa Pasko, or preparation sa wedding, preparation sa pagpasa natin sa board exam o bar exam, o makagraduate tayo ng panibagong kurso o training. Yan. So, it's talk about ano yan. Ito yung mga batas o how we were brought up, mga sinusunod natin sa magulang natin, kapatid. Kasi yun ang fundamentals ng buhay. Yeah, walang pagkatakas yan. So, makikipagsikisikan ka sa LRT para pumasok sa trabaho. Yan. Alam na natin yan, nasa na natin, sistema natin. Yeah? So, October 1 to 7. So, October 1 to 7, Pisces, tignan natin. Ano yung structure na mukhang very confined ka dito. Very confined. Sinusunod mo yung rules. Wala kang binabago dahil mabuti kang citizen. Sinusunod mo yung mga inuutos at mga policy. Policy sa opisina, policy sa lahat. Dekahon yan. So, okay. Eight of Cups. Okay. Nasasakal ka. Yeah. Pisces. Structure. Pipila ka sa LTO. Kailangan mo mag-renew ng lisensya. Magbabayad ka ng buwis. Magbabayad ka ng POEA. Magbabayad ka ng check-up sa doktor. Magbabayad ka ng etc. Social Security. Yung rules, minsan, hindi nakakasakal na rin minsan yun. Nakaka-drain. Yeah? So, bakit ka nade-drain? Dahil ba sa proseso na sinusunod mo palagi? By the book ka? By the book. Minsan, wala kang pinalya, hindi ka lumihit ng landas. Okay? Ngayon, mukhang hindi ka na masaya. Gusto mong mag-walk away, Pisces. Okay. Moving at looking forward ka sa yung wish fulfillment. Gusto mo, definitely you're looking for happiness. Hindi ka masaya. Hinahanap mo yung soulmate mo. O ikaw ito, water sign, Pisces, okay? Or meron kang Scorpio, o meron kang Cancer na element, okay? Uh, gusto mo to rise above that emotional drama, okay? Sobrang structure, sinusunod mo yan, pero nararamdaman ko rito, you're not happy, or you are pretending to be happy. Nada-drown ka. Waiting ka dun sa ship na dumating yung time na gusto mong kumawala muna. Or you want to detach your emotion. Yeah? yun yung naglalaro dito. Meron ba ganyang Pisces? Sa relationship, you're just overwhelmed. Overwhelmed, or na ikaw ang nakakapagpa-overwhelm dun sa environment mo. Okay? So, tradisyon, mga rules, mga regulation, gobyerno, education, institutional, lumipad. Okay? Or meron kang ipinaglalaban kasi it's different from yung belief system mo. Merong okay, it works both way. Ikaw yung nasasakal, or yung tradisyon, yung paniniwala mo, yun ang ipinaglalaban mo. So if you are surrounded by people na merong different opinion, or magkaiba kayo ng paniniwala, as simple as that. So ipinaglalaban mo na ito yung dapat sundin natin. Yeah? Standing on your ground. Belief system. Yeah? So kung naniniwala ka, kailangan magsimba tayo linggo-linggo. Yeah? Sabi nung kasama mo, o ng pamilya mo, o ng boyfriend mo, o ng girlfriend mo, ikaw na lang, pagod ako, or may mga excuses. Okay? Yun na nagbibigay sa'yo ng void. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan? Yung mga kasama mo sa bahay, anak, kapatid, iba na yung pinagkakaabalahan nila. Yeah? Okay, Pisces. Kuha pa ako ng few cards from here. Tingnan natin kung ano yung, bakit, ano ba yung dapat mong ipaglaban na you believe, strong yung mo, paniniwala mo. Okay? Nothing wrong on that. Lahat tayo, meron tayong mga, yung ano yung kinagisnan natin, yung tinuro ng eskwela, ng kapatid, pamilya, that's how you were brought up. Ngayon, it's either nasasakal ka na, or pinaglalaban mo na yun ang tama at yun ang dapat gawin. So overwhelmed ka saan? Sa responsibilidad? Nakatiptoe ka? Gusto mong pumunta sa ibang direksyon, na nagtitiptoe ka, or ang dami mong ginajuggle na responsibilidad. Minsan ang paniniwala ng iba ay nakakaapekto sa iyo. Yeah? Nagtitiptoe ka, juggling a lot of things, dahil yung paniniwala mo ay ganito, na it's either walang nakaka-appreciate sa'yo. That's why you want to move away from that energy, dahil it's stressful then. Yeah, meron kang obligasyon na pang-araw-araw, yung daily routine, kung ano yung ginagawa natin. Kailangan tayo magtrabaho, kailangan tayong pumasok sa maski na baha. And yet, yung structure na pinaniniwalaan mo na most likely you think na makakatulong sa'yo, bangko, in anything institution, sometimes it's it's drain or it's take out yung nawawala yung energy mo, inuubos. Okay? Meron bang ganyan? Overflowing, lahat ng sobra maano din, nakaka-choke. Oops, sorry. Sorry, Pisces. Yan, naubo na ako. Okay. Okay. Structure. This is about family, family foundation or relationship foundation. Yun yung 4 pillar ng house. Okay? Ng structure natin. House, literally house, bahay, or literally the belief system. Okay? Tipong nung nag-aral ka sa Catholic school, nung lumabas ka, nagtrabaho ka, nagkaroon ka ng ibang hindi naman ibang paniniwala, kundi you meet people na magkaiba kayo, magkasalungat kayo sa paniniwala, and you want to stay with yung pinaniniwalaan mo, kasama dyan yung day-to-day na obligation. Kung sa trabaho, nagiging issue minsan yung pagiging close-minded. Okay? Hindi ko sinasabing close-minded na maaring ayaw mo rin makinig sa ibang opinion. Kasi you're so caught up dun sa paniniwala mo na kailangan, responsibilidad mo itong dapat gawin mo bilang mabuting ama or mabuting ina or mabuting kapatid. That's how it is. Dapat tumulong ka or pautangin mo yung kapitbahay, yung relatives, yung mga ganun tipo, kasi yun ang itinuro sa atin . And that structure, yung belief system mo, kung ganoon nga, yun ang makapagpapasay sa'yo. You want the other people na to believe, okay? To believe in yung paniniwala mo. Kasi, yun for you, yun ang structure na hinahanap mo. Okay? Simbahan, bangko, religion, o yung foundation ng pagiging magkakaibigan. Yun ang very ka doon, strict ka doon. Okay? Now, being Pisces, so tendency is sentimental, emotion, water sign. Okay? Naaapektuhan ka sa, it's either nacho-choke ka, you're starting to question yung fundamentals na pinaniniwalaan mo, or you want to add other people to, you influence them, you want to influence them kasi sa palagay mo yun ang makapagpapasaya. Moving to that King of Cups, kung meron kang karelasyon na it's either Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, yun ang gusto mo ring mai-offer sa'yo. Yun ang hinahanap mo. Meron maganyang Pisces? Yeah. So, King of Cups, very strong sa niya, sa emotion, fatherly type na provider, maski na walang pera, talagang bubusugin ka ng pagmamahal, except na minsan nakaka-drown yung ganoong too much minsan. Yeah? Pero mga ganyan, Pisces. So ang ang storyline is yung belief system mo very strong or mahina ka doon or gusto mong umalis doon. Nagja-juggle ka ng responsibilidad mo. Despite that, strong yung paniniwalang fundamentals mo and what you believe na ipinaglalaban mo yun. Hindi physical na pakikipaglaban o pakikipag-away. Maybe kung argumentative ka or you show it dun sa how you do things. Let's say, masinop kang maglinis ng bahay. Gusto mo palagi masinop. Ganon. Labada, malinis, planchado, mabango, etc. Yun ang ginagawang daily routine mo. And sometimes, yung ganong routine, nakaka-drain ng emotion mo. Yeah? Meron mang ganyan, Pisces. Tignan natin. Ano ang reason bakit gusto mong mag-walk away? Okay? Gusto mong mag-walk away. Okay, Pisces, October 1 to 7. Wala akong nakikitang ibang issue dito in terms of financially. I don't think issue sa'yo yun. I think you're starting to question ang paniniwala mo rito. Okay? Bakit ka gusto mo mag-walk away at palagi kang gusto makipagdiskusyonan? Nakikipag-ano ka dito eh. You want to prove something. Okay. Dahil nga kung ikaw ang nanay, gusto mo na definitely yung mga anak na mga pasaway or kapatid na wala namang this one is all about yung offer na hindi na maganda yung sitwasyon. Okay? Strong yung belief fundamentals mo and naniniwala ka na in the future you can influence them. Yeah? Kasi yun ang foundation na hinahanap mo sa palagay mo makapagpapasaya. So, you keep yourself busy sa responsibilidad. I think you're hiding something here. You're hiding something here, Pisces. Mukhang panlabas lang yung... Meron akong nakikita na parang panlabas lang. Ano ba yung panlabas na yun? Okay? I'm not saying you're doing something not acceptable. Okay? Meron ba? Okay. October 1 to 7, Pisces. Tignan natin kung ano yung storyline ni Pisces. So, shoutout po ako sa mga OFW. So, nag-uulan na naman sa Pilipinas. So, sana yung mga kapatid natin at kamag-anak and family, so, hindi nababaha. So, pinabantayan ko kung ano mangyayari dun sa Senate hearing. Okay, tignan natin. Anong belief system mo? Bakit gusto mong umalis? You walk away. You're walking away. Okay. Puro walking away yung nakikita ko lately. Okay? You're looking forward. You're looking forward for what? Sa palagay mo yung institution na pinaniniwalaan mo rito, yung belief system mo o yung simbahan is your sandalan, sanctuary. Alam mo yun? Kasi siguro dahil na rin siguro sa ating background na yung religion and of course yung how your family brought up. Lahat naman tayo religious people or spiritual people. Okay? Lumilitaw na naman ito. Kunin ko na ito. Okay. So, this is about nightmare and stress and sleepless night. Okay. Is it related to your faith? maaring meron kang pinaniwalaang, okay, another one na hindi ko na pick up is sa relationship is also a structure. It's a partnership, okay? Husband, a wife, children, and a happy family home. Yeah? Structure, yun ang paniniwala natin. Nagpakasal kayo because of you love each other. Or nag-sign ka ng kontrata doon sa trabaho kasi merong ina-offer na iba. But apparently, meron kang na-miscalculate. Yung pinasok mo na yun, okay? Meron kang pinasok, gusto mong umexit. It's giving you thought na makikita mo yung happiness doon. Now, you want to get out to find the real happiness that you like. Why? Kasi merong isang nag-o-offer na another possible relationship. That's another one scenario. Okay? Yung definition mo ng partnership, hindi mo nakita, hindi mo nakukuha. Hindi mo nakukuha. Nagkakaroon ka ng, aside from unhappy, nagkakaroon ka pa ng nightmare and stresses. Okay? From 9, you want to walk away. Empty yung emotional level mo dito. I think you're drained because of physical exhaustion about keep on proving yourself. You always keep on proving. Kailangan ipakita mo na yung pruweba. Okay? Na let's say, mahal mo ba ako? Sige, ipagluluto kita ha. Ipaglilinis kita ng bahay. Yan. That's how you want to prove na responsable kang partner. Sa trabaho, responsable kang empleyado. So, papasok ka ng maaga, uwi ka ng late, tatapusin mo lahat ng gagawin mo. And na-drain ka. Diba? Yung structure na pinasok mo sa trabaho, formality, nagtatrabaho ka sa bangko, sa hospital, and na-drain ka. You want to keep proving to yourself na masipag ka, or sa pamilya mo na responsable kang magulang or anak or kapatid, those kind of things. Kasi yun ang basic fundamental na paniniwala natin eh. And you come to the point na hindi na pala yun yung nakaka-fulfill ng happiness mo. Yeah, okay. Meron bang ganyan? From 9 to 10, ayaw mo nang palagi ka na-stress at palagi kang nababangungot or nightmare or what if, ano ba ito? Sana hindi ganito. Sana po ganyan naman. Yes, okay. Okay, if it's related to a family issue because merong related sa somebody who, or to conceive, iniwanan ka dahil sa merong issue siya sa hindi kayo makabuo ng bata, ng anak. Okay? That's one issue I can see here. Kulang yung foundation, okay? Yung happiness mo sa pamilya is, sabi ko, a husband and a wife with the kids. You can't have a kid. Yun ang okay? Again, I think this is not for everybody. Yung fighting na to, nakikita ko, it's not only fighting. Yeah, okay, fighting yung belief system kasi, okay, lalaki na you want to have your son. Okay, meron bang ganyang Pisces? Okay. So, ikaw, yung sinasabi kong sumusunod ka sa rules and regulation, kung sa family dynamics yan, pinupuno mo yung pagkukulang sa ibang pamamaraan. Yeah? Okay? Yun ang dyan, energy. Okay? Now, if you're looking for a new beginning is um, yung fundamentals mo nga nasabi ko, kailangan ng may pamilya, may anak, or something like that. So, that become a challenge. Okay? Something, there is lacking. There is lacking. And you want to keep on trying and you keep on working out. Yung workout ninyo. Okay? And somebody also made an offer to somebody. Made an offer to somebody na somebody more rewarding. Kung hindi mo ako mabibigyan ng ganito, I don't have a choice but to move forward kasi I feel lacking, may kulang. So one to get away from that situation kasi yung belief system niya na kailangan meron tayong anak na, something like that, na tagapagmana or, meron mga ganyang Pisces. Okay. Not everything is unhappy. Yung sitwasyon that mas ginagawa mo yung obligasyon mo, hindi ganun kadali kasi somebody is looking for that sense of security. Okay? Walang trabaho yung isa. It's a stressful time. Okay? Hindi tayo mabubuhay kung wala kang maipapakain sa akin. And I need that pentacle. Ako magsosolo ako. So, because somebody is juggling a lot of responsibility and fighting communication na palaging parang dead wall. Ano ba yun? Parang wall yung kinakausap. Kasi yung paniniwala mo is very solid. Maski na ginawa mo lahat to be nurturing and that offer o yung opportunity, let's say, for either one of you, kung ikaw ito, willing kang to walk away to get that happiness of yours. Ayan, no? You have the Ace of Pentacle, which is very solid, and this one is somebody who can give that to you. Oops, sorry, panangangati yung aking, natutunan mo yun kasi in the hard way kasi yung paniniwala mo nung kabataan mo pa, yun ang you are, let's say you come from a family of, a doctor. So, lahat normally, hindi ba natin na-notice yun? Lahat doktor, lahat teacher, lahat, hindi lang isa. Okay? Hindi doktor yung nakuha mo. Karpintero. I'm not saying na hindi maganda yung ganoong pero nakafocus yung mo, yung pananaw mo at paniniwala, pananalig on that kung ano man yung system na pinagkalakihan mo at pinaniniwalaan. Okay? Maari magkaiba kayo ng religion, nagiging reason din yan. Yeah? Lalo kapag sa relationship, maski na ibigay mo magkaroon ka ng ibang way to compensate on what is lacking, the other one is hindi pa rin masaya. Kung meron halimbawa yung isa, yung boyfriend mo or girlfriend, hindi niya afford So, hindi ka masaya. Ayun. Hindi pa tayo pwedeng magkaroon ng baby kasi kailangan pa tayo mag-ipon or whatsoever. And somebody is, can be expecting. Kasi nga, yun ang belief system niya. Kailangan pag nag-asawa, kailangan magkaroon tayo ng baby. O kailangan tayo magkaroon ng bahay kaagad. And that one is not, providing. Yeah? Ganon din yung relationship in private. Okay? Somebody is, mas agresibo or something. Si Pisces, let's say, hindi naman agresibo. Okay? Or si Scorpio, kasi may Scorpio dito Yeah? Okay. Tingnan pa natin, ano ba ang Ano to, ongoing ito. Ongoing ito, Pisces. Okay, okay. Ito na naman, oh. Proof. 8. I see yung progression, okay? Kukuha siguro ako ng isa pang card. Tignan ko lang kung ano ang patutunguhan nito. 8, 9, and 10. Is this ito bang pangyayari nito nangyari pa noong August, September, at plano mong tapusin by October? I don't know bakit pumasok yun. Okay, kasi ang daming mga may ingay na mga ito yung mga mga marites. Okay, may marites dito. Napaka-elamero. Okay? Isa pa rin yun sa pinaglalaban mo actually. Parang sinasabi mo na tumahimik kayo. Hindi nyo alam ang buong istorya. Yeah? O ikaw yung marites or what? Okay? Yan lang natin kung ano pa yung magre-resonate at ano. Okay, curious lang ako. Pisces. Saan ba nang galing to? Alam ko yung solid yung yung paniniwala, yung belief system. Okay? Kulang ko na isa. One last card bago tayo kumuha ng moon. Kailangan mo muna magpahinga. Disconnect. Disconnect somehow. Okay? Meron kang nakitang opportunity actually. Okay? Kasi parang ang nakikita ko is hindi mo makukuha yung oportunidad pa na dumarating o yung bagong offer kung hindi ka lalayo doon. Okay? Sa trabaho, hindi ka naman doon sa trabaho pero meron nag-offer sa iyo ngayon, hindi ka makapagpapa-interview or kung hindi mo kailangan i-entertain. Ito yan. So, bago makuha mo yung happiness mo na solid, ang foundation, you need to get out. Yun ang nakikita ko message. Okay? Iba yung progression nito. I think it's gonna move past. You have 7. Okay? You have 7 up. 1 here, another 7 here. Itong transaction na ito, mukhang simula, 7, and then another 7 of Pentacle na tinatrabaho mo ito at nananaginip ka for the past few months. 7, 8, 9, 10. And the 10 is the ending. And then you're gonna make a decision. Meron ka mga kaibigan na Libra. Yun, gusto ko na pumunta sa katahimik. You want a peace of mind. Okay? You need to make a decision. Somebody gave you that message. Look at the queen. Okay? Sabi dito, mukhang may lumapit sa'yo dito meron nag-offer sa'yo ng pagmamahal ulit na panibago. The Queen of Wands is pointing, parang sinasabi, kung gusto mong lumigaya, ito ang makapagbibigay sa'yo ng kaligayahan. And you're thinking very clearly. Kung hindi ito advice, it's coming from you. Childhood, meron bang childhood something? Childhood memory, childhood something? Okay? O may anak ka. And you want to move to that. The Queen of Wands is looking at the happiness and moving away to get your peace of mind. Yeah? Once na makapag-decide ka, you gonna walk away with that because of hindi ka na masaya, fulfilled yung happiness mo, and you gonna get that balance. If you want to get that balance, you should make a decision. I'm not saying I'm not giving any advice po kung mag-resonate na yun ang you're looking for the balance. But you need to make that decision. Yeah? Meron bang ganyan? Pisces? Okay? So, dito siya. Ito siya eh. Okay? You want to make that balance. Okay? Because yung fundamentals mo is very strong about what you believe in. You want to make that balance and to find that happiness, and you want to have that fulfilled cup, move to that direction. Okay? October 1 to 7, Pisces. Okay? Tignan natin yung moon oracle. Ano ang message mo kay Pisces? Anong message mo kay Pisces? Moon oracle card. Bigyan mo ako ng isang card. Yeah. Ongoing ito. Yung progression niya, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nangyari pa yata itong pinag-iisipan mo na itong decision is since July. Okay. Oh, bumaliktad siya. Okay. Ilan to? Hindi. Okay. Anayin ko lang. Yung gusto ko lang yung para kay Pisces na makaka-give sa kanya ng clarity. Okay? I think okay, Pisces being a water sign, yung making a decision sometimes is very difficult. Okay, ito isa lang. Okay. Talking about being smart and sharp, your queen. Okay? That's the queen. The queen making a decision. Sabi nung kaibigan nating owl. Okay? A crisis will allow you to look into yourself and make an important revelation. Okay? May nangyari sa'yo na it's a violation noong belief mo. Okay? Merong revelation na hindi mo matanggap. Kung ano man yung hindi ko na itatanong, may revelation na hindi sa'yo nakapagpasaya. Parang nawala yung balance. Yun ang hinahanap mo, yung balance. Okay? And you need to use a lot of your sharp mind and mental. Okay? Si Pisces being a water sign, highly sensitive. Yung wish fulfillment mo dahil yung fundamentals nawawala yung kasigayahan mo, parang meron kang kulang na. Okay? So, you want to move forward dahil sa meron kang yatang nakilala na-discover mo yun meron na mas masayang makapagbibigay sa'yo ng yung hinahanap mo. Okay? So, yeah. Ano pa ba ito? Meron bang ganyan? Naka-resonate ba? Kung naka-resonate po, shout out. Kung hindi, wag pong pilitin. So, October 1 to 7, Pisces, you look for that pentacle. That's what you're looking for. Yun yata ay na-discover mo o madi-discover mo pa lang. Yeah? Okay. So, salamat po and see you again.